Meaning of fortunately.
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 Fortunately. Fortunately is an adverb used to indicate a positive result or outcome. It expresses relief or gratitude for a good event or circumstance that has occurred. For example, if someone narrowly avoids a car accident, they might say, "Fortunately, I didn't hit the other car." In this case, fortunately describes the positive outcome of not getting into an accident. Similarly, if someone receives unexpected good news, they might say, "Fortunately, everything worked out in the end." Overall, fortunately is used to express a positive and desired result.